रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dears. Our today's topic is conservation of biodiversity in Pakistan from unit number 3, biodiversity. Conservation of biodiversity in Pakistan. Conservation means protection. Biodiversity means variety of flora and fauna in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the main issues of conservation of biodiversity include deforestation. Deforestation means removal of forests or stand trees, and hunting. We have only 5.2% forest in our country. Similarly, many species have become extinct or endangered. For example, overfishing in rivers, lakes, and ponds has resulted in the reduction of many species. Reduction means decrease, resulted in the decrease of many species like shermahi and mahshir, etc. Similarly, markhor, its zoological or scientific name is Haubora buster. Haubora buster and Marco Polo sheep population has been reduced due to overhunting. It is musk deer. Musk deer are killed for their glands. Glands mean any of various organs that synthesize substances needed by the body and release it through ducts or directly into the bloodstream. So musk deer are killed for their glands, which is used for making perfume. It is Indus River blind dolphin. The most serious threat faced by Indus River dolphin is the release of heavily polluted water into the sea, which is causing the blindness of these dolphins. The blindness of these dolphins is due to the release of heavily polluted water into the sea. Following are a few examples of the steps taken in Pakistan to conserve biodiversity, means to protect biodiversity. Indus Dolphin Project IDP to save Indus Dolphin. Protected Areas Management Project in Azad Jammu Kashmir. Marine Turtle Conservation Project. Ban on the hunting of markhor in Balochistan. Himalaya Jungle Project. It is for the sake to protect the biodiversity in Himalaya region. Conservation of biodiversity of the Suleiman Range, Balochistan, and also conservation of Chiltern Markhor. Northern Areas Conservation Project for the conservation for the protection of the flora and fauna of that areas. Conservation of migratory birds in Chitral and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Himalaya Wildlife Project to check the hunting of brown bears. Ban on bear baiting in Pakistan. So these all are the few examples of the steps taken in Pakistan to conserve or to protect biodiversity. National parks. National parks are made to conserve or protect the biodiversity of an area. Pakistan has total 29 national parks. So, hunting, polluting water, cleaning of lands for cultivation, and destruction or removal of wildlife are banned in these areas. However, they are accessible or available. Accessible mean available to public for research work, for education, and also for recreation. Dear students, write short note of about 100 words which describes national parks of Pakistan. Along with this, that also describe type of organisms in these parks and their importance to the area and also to Pakistan. Wishing you best of luck. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.